Hi guys, this is Ravi. This time around I'm doing a Malayalam movie trailer reaction. The movie's name is Thira. It was released in 2013. This was suggested by Max Tube. Thank you Max Tube. Looks like the movie is a trilogy. It has got 3 parts and the next part is going to get released next year. I'm not sure about the genre. I haven't watched the trailer yet. I'm absolutely unaware about the story. I just wanted to watch the trailer for the first time and react to it. So here we go.
നിങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് വരുന്ന വാർത്തകൾ ഈ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിന്റെ റെപ്യൂട്ടേഷനാണ് ബാധിക്കുന്നത്.
നിങ്ങൾ ശരിക്കും ഡോക്ടറാണ്.
बहुत नुकसान किया है उसने हमारा. She has to pay for every bit of it.
I am ready दादा. I am ready. जंक्शन पे एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ था ना?
क्या हिंदी बरोला ननगे?
पहले നിങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞു ആ കുട്ടി
വണ്ടി ഇടിച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു നിമിഷം കൂടെ നിൽക്കാമ പോയിട്ടാണ്.
एक और आदमी था उनके पीछे.
उनका 24 अवस्था रखे.
Do you know anything about him?
കുട്ടി തലമുടി കുട്ടി താടിയുമായിട്ട് കയ്യിലൊക്കെ പച്ച കുത്തിയിരുന്നു.
Go find them.
ഡോക്ടർ കാളിറാം.
കണ്ണെത്താത്ത ദൂരങ്ങൾ.
നമ്മൾ ഊഹിക്കുന്നതൊന്നും ശരിയാവണമെന്നില്ല.
Okay, so just give me a second. I want to see the poster at the starting. Stop ruining our future. Okay. Well, that was pretty intense. I think, personally I am feeling this kind of a vibe. The movie is very much close to how Hindi movie Kahani was, where Vidya Balan was in search of her husband and she was taking the help of cops and her friends to find out where he is. In the same way, I think Shobana and the other actor in the trailer were also trying to find out some person. Not sure why they were in search of. Probably he was trafficked, or probably he was kidnapped, or probably he was killed. I'm not sure about that, but they are in search of one guy. And there are certain dialogues like there was an accident, and probably they are trying to find out all possible clues. And she was showing some kind of a slip, probably some kind of a written note was there in it, or probably some kind of a clue was there to find the guy. And I just paused the screen at the banner that was shown at the start. Stop ruining our future. I'm not sure why that was shown. There is some kind of an agitation going on, or something something happened to suppress the agitation, and where this guy must have got picked. I'm not sure why the young kid was shown at the end. Shobana Garu is an excellent actor, and she's an excellent dancer first of all. The way she expresses with her eyes, that itself is enough for the scene to be understood. Well, it's very good to see her on screen after a very long time, and I hope she also makes a comeback in Telugu, because there are lots of her fans. There are lots of loyal fans to her here. There were only 2 characters shown in the complete trailer, so I could not deduce much. But looking at it, I could only see that they are in search of a guy, and they are trying to find out in all possible ways. Did this happen elsewhere, not in Kerala? Because they were talking in Hindi. Because if it is completely in Kerala, they would have authentically talked in Malayalam, right? it's good to see a trilogy in South. I got to know that Bahubali is also releasing as a trilogy where there will be a prequel. Good to see that there are prequels, trilogies, and series planned in Indian movie industry also. That's very good to hear. But there should be connection, and the characters should carry on. Only then it will give that kind of a happy feel to see them back on screen again and again. Well, that was my take on the trailer. Do let me know how the movie was, and keep giving your suggestions. That way even I can improve. Thank you.